Hi guys, welcome to our another new series. This is Advanced PHP. Actually, in this advanced level of the PHP, this is actually just the first few thoughts that came to my mind. That these are the topics that I will be trying to explain. I will definitely add more topics to it because there are so many concepts that you need to know to be expert in PHP. Which I am also not, but I am still a learner. So I will keep learning and I will try to keep teaching. Okay. So yeah, so these are the topic that I have in mind. So first topic is how to find same implementation of a function in PHP. So this is actually my shout out to all the bad programmers of the PHP. So who are actually trying to learn and trying to unravel or unwrap the mysteries in the PHP and to know that how inner PHP is working, how this function is actually written in C. So what is the implementation of this function in C? How is it is actually working? And we already know. And I'm sure that most of you already know that PHP is kind of a high-level programming language. Basic definition of a high-level programming language is that it is close to the human language, so that we are able to use it and we are able to program in this language easily, rather than a low-level implementation. So all the PHP is actually written in C or C++, most of the modules. But when they compile it and give us the source code, so we're able to write the PHP in very fluent and very easy to use language. So yeah, so in my career, like sometime this has been always for fun, but sometime I just wanted to know that how this function is doing in the PHP. So yeah, I will try to explain this. So if you want to understand, for example, let's try to find this array map. So how this function is actually being written in C. So for this, actually, we'll just go to get.php.net. This is the official PHP repository for the PHP source and the PHP documentation and also all the libraries. If you want to see, for example, PHP security, if you're interested in MySQL, PDO, yeah, a lot of stuff is here. And then there is documentation. You can also contribute it to it. So these are all the repositories actually. So if you want to see the PHP source, so we'll go to PHP source. And here, if you want to search array map, for example, you will just do the grep, and here you will search for array, just go map. So you will get all the files that contain the array map, but we don't need this PHP. These are actually Zen test files. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need the test file. We actually need the implementations in C. So for that, actually, you will always look for extension. Like this is the PHP extension and standard extension and array C. Let's go ahead and check this file. So if you open this file is actually pure C file, and you can see there are a lot of functions here. Let's go ahead and search for array and just go map. So okay, this is the function actually that is defined. That's how it is defined in the C. And if you know C, you will be able to read it. I'm not an expert in C. I barely just understand some part of it. But if like everything is available on the internet, if you want to learn about it, you can learn about it very easily. So yeah, this is the actual implementation of array map. For example, array diff. I think diff is also here. And let's see if array diff is here. Let's check another function. Array key exists. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is the way for you to find any function. If you want to find in the PHP, you will just go to projects. You can go to PHP source, and then here instead of commit, you can just grep the author, and yeah, that's it. And also, like if you want to know the latest commits in the project, you can just go to PHP source, and then you can go to commits, and you can see all the commits that recent commits here. And yeah, that's this is also the short log for this commit for the recent days. If you want to go more back, you can just click on these dot icons and it will take you to the next page. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you will like it, and let me know if you have any question or comment. If you want me to make videos on specific topics, especially in the advanced PHP. For the Scratch, actually I'm kind of done with my blog series. So yeah, I will be uploading all the episodes soon. Thank you, cheers, bye bye, see you in the next video.